So, hello guys, my name is Aman Kaushal and you people are watching HackDroid. So, now we can move to a next step in our third video here. I will show you how you can set a conditions like a if else in a Python, and we also use a special condition here that is elif. In that situation, like what type of situation you can do these types of coding like the conditions here. So, I will show you. You can just write a program something here like a equal to 100, and we can set some basic condition here like a if a equal to 100, then we need to print the value is true or something. If you want to wish, you can write something like your name, everything, then the data is pass. And in a else part, we can just print here it is false if the value is not equal to 100. So here you see the value is true because a equal to 100 and the variable is also 100. So I will show you in the another condition. We can move to a next step. If you have any like question, then you can give me on comments, then I will definitely reply on that messages as well. So we can move a next step like another things. Just suppose we can get a input from a user, like user can give us an input, so we can write a variable input, enter the string whatever you want. If you want a int, then you need to write here it is int, then in a parenthesis. But I want that here a string, so I can just put input here. I don't want a int and all that. So int, enter the string, like enter your name. I can write just right here, enter your name. And after that, here you see n equal to input, then enter your name. And after that, make sure you need to set a condition. If n equal to means n equal to like a name, that name is John. If user can write here the name is John, then your value is absolutely true. Otherwise it can go to a else part and the value is definitely false. So just print here, and yes, your name is correct. Correct. These types of conditions we can use in a login sign up with these types of coding as well. So make sure, I think you can understand what I want to say. So here we can just print your name is incorrect. So just hit enter. So here you can see they can give me permission to write something, your name or something. Just I will show you. Firstly John, I can write here John, John, and enter. So he can give me a results. Yes, your name is correct, because it can use the if part. Here you see I can just again do it, and I can just use my own name here. So just hit enter, your name is incorrect. Now the else part is running here, you can see that. Yeah, so now we can go to a next part where I can get int input. So int input, enter your DOB. I think that is much value. If like age, we can give a variable name that is age here. So if age equal to if your age greater than 20, then we need to print here. So we can do 18. If your age greater than 18, then you are an adult. Otherwise you are kid. So here I can write else print you are a kid. So I think now you understand what I want to say. Here is another part, that is elif, that we are mostly used for Python. Alif. So Alif is like age. If age equal to 21 or 20, then print you are ready for a marriage. So I can just hit enter the date of birth. Just suppose if we are over 26, hit enter. So they give me a result that is I'm adult. Just hit 23. You are adult because you are greater than 18. Just I can reload it. My date of birth is 21. If just a minute, there is some problem. My age is 21. That it need to be 21 and you are ready for marriage. So because that part is also working and Alif is not that part. So we need to do just a minute. I will check it. Now, if we can write something like 16, then you are a kid here. The else part is running. So and about the Alif part, we need to make sure like if guy is 18, then he's a kid or he's a what he is. You are ready for a marriage, ma'am. That's why we can use Alif here. So I hope you people are like this video. Make sure you subscribe our channel for more updates and please hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you guys.